So excited to share with you the Beach Boardwalk Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. There are 4 2-page layouts that are ready for your summer memories. Look at these vibrant colors, and the Cricut cuts are just amazing. This workshop was designed by Jennifer Smith, and I've purchased the rights to sell kits. And you can see up close, these Cricut cuts will be provided to you. Look at the little embellishments that coordinate with the colors there, the little palm branches. So much fun. The surfboard, the little bicycle. It's perfect for your summer memories. Here's the next layout in the kit. And look at those beautiful swashes of color for the sunset and the ocean. Here we've got some splattering in the background, which is optional, along with some ink blending on the white summer word, just to kind of give it some beautiful ombre effect to go with the colors in the layout. This is perfect. This is perfect for all of your photos on the beach and around the water, and add flip-flaps if you have more memories that won't fit on the page. Here's the next one. Look at the roller coaster. I was thinking Ferris wheels over here, and the roller coaster and the circus tents, just like a carnival out on the beach boardwalk. Many of the beaches have those, and this is just a kind of a fun expression of that. If not, maybe you are away from the beach and attending a carnival. In fact, our community has a carnival this weekend that this layout would be perfect for. Here is the final layout. I love this marbleized background paper. To me, it just looks like water sparkling in the sun, and the sun soaker Cricut cut is just perfect. Again, this is time for fun, smiles, and sand and sun and precious memories. Reminder, when you purchase this kit from me, you will also qualify for the free guide. So even more projects using the Beach Boardwalk products. As part of the Sweet Designers design team, we have designed 2 more 2-page layouts, 2 cards, and 2 bonus projects using the Beach Boardwalk Suite products. So you can get your guide free when you purchase the Beach Boardwalk Scrapbook Workshop. And here is a sneak peek of just one of the layouts included in the guide, featuring the Boardwalk Fun bundle, specifically the dies. So there's a couple of palm trees on here, and these stars or sunbursts that are on here, so you can see those in the background here. Let's see if I can pick it up. So you see those bursts with the silver foil and the palm trees layered there at the bottom. Got some embossing just to provide some texture, and again, those gorgeous beach boardwalk papers with the ombre colors and the sparkling water. You will love the Beach Boardwalk suite and products. You can purchase this kit on my website, creatingwithchristine.com. Click on the shop link and you'll find it there. Remember, this purchase will qualify you for a free guide of the Beach Boardwalk collection as well.